Hello guys, it's Adam from Car Enhancements UK. How you doing? Sorry it's been a while, but today I want to bring another new product to you. So this is our version 2 wireless illuminated door sill. Now you might be asking, why have they gone wireless? What's the point of that? The reason why we've gone wireless is because our existing sill plates are powered by a footwell light in your car. And unfortunately not all cars have footwell lights. So until now, we've always had that stance of, unfortunately you don't have footwell lights mate, you can't have a sill plate. So we've developed these to now eradicate that. Now how they work, on the rear they have a watch battery. Now it's a CR2032 battery which is supplied in your kit. And it's a very simple process of you chuck the battery in the sill plate and then you peel off the 3M tape and you stick it where you want it to go. Now you might be thinking to yourself, the battery's on the bottom. What happens when I want to change the battery? Well, we devised these. So as you can see, you've got that there and you've got that there. And they are the feet. So once this is secured in place, it'll stay there, it won't move anywhere. When you want to take the battery out or if you need to change the battery at any time, they literally detach from the feet, swap your battery, clip it back into place. Now the functionality of them is very simple. They have, you can see here on the green sticker, this is the protective film by the way. So the green sticker comes off, that's not part of the design, the only design is the logo. That green sticker there indicates where the magnet is. Now I'll try and get this for you in the light, but you receive 2 of these magnets that stick to the bottom of your door. And the theory behind it is, when you open the door, which is when you move the magnet away, the light comes on. So I don't know if you could see that there with it being red and the camera angle when I dropped it. With it being red and the camera angle, I don't know if you'll be able to see it with the light in the room. But yeah, the simple matter of the fact is, when you open the door, the magnet comes away from the sill plate and that activates the sill light for 30 seconds. So the light will automatically go back off after 30 seconds. Obviously when you shut the door, the magnet then goes back on, and again, same process. When you open the door, the light comes off. Now they are very, very easy to fit. Very easy indeed. You just need to wipe your area clean, peel off the 3M tape and stick them on. In terms of the magnet and getting the magnet lined up, we supply you with a fitting kit. So in your fitting kit, you receive the following. You get 2 magnets, one there and one there. The stickers are optional. Now, if you've got a car and you don't want to see the magnet, I'll be honest with you, you can't see the magnet, it's under the door. But if you don't want to see the magnet, stick the sticker over the top of the magnet and that hides it. Also, it's a little bit with the waterproofing, but again, they're not mandatory. Also in the kit, you get these. Now, these are for installing the magnet, and what they are is it's a self-adhesive foam ring. So how this works, you get a 2-part, you get an insert and a foam ring. You take this inner circle and you stick that over the magnet logo. Now just make sure that before you install them that you test that the magnet is where the sticker is. 99% of the time the sticker will indicate where the magnet is, however there might have been the odd case where the sticker is a little bit to the left. So just check with your magnet, make sure that it does come on when you move it away, and then you stick the black circle on top of the magnet sticker. You then take the ring and you stick this upside down over the top, okay, and you just sit that on there. So that's not stuck down, the sticky side's going upwards. Then all you need to do is shut your door. And in theory what should happen is when you shut the door, the ring should stick to the door so that when you open it back up, you then know that you need to insert the magnet inside that hole. Now just be mindful, not every door has the same amount of clearance. We've tried being clever with the foam in terms of giving a size that will suit everything, but there might be the odd instance where your car has more clearance between the door and the sill, and in that case this doesn't stick. In them cases you're going to have to be a little bit creative, I'm afraid. So as standard with any CUK product, you get a 12-month guarantee on this item. They're lovely black brushed surface. I don't know if you can just see that there. It's like a lovely black brushed aluminium, and they've got the logo. At the moment we are pushing these out as a version 2 with an ST red. The reason why we haven't pushed it across the full range yet is because we've still got existing stock of the version 1. However, the ST version ones have sold out. So this will be the new normal for all sill plates. You'll see that eventually we'll start pushing them out onto our 4 Performance, onto our RS style ones. and we're also going to look at releasing some new styles. That's also another benefit with the wireless. We can look at cars that traditionally have not been able to have a sill plate. These are also going to be fantastic for the Mark IV Focus ST, because the Mark IV footwell lights are a bit finicky. Sometimes when you plug them in, it turns all the interior and footwell lights off. You're not going to get that with these anymore, because they're going to be a completely standalone independent unit. Another positive, the price hasn't changed. So while we've changed them and we've improved them, we haven't increased the price. So yeah, that's a positive, isn't it? Next day delivery if you order in the UK. Obviously overseas is a bit different, but if you've got any questions at all, please get in touch. They take about 5 minutes to fit per side. There's no more getting on your back feeding cables through, none of that jazz. And yeah, look out for the new designs. Thank you.